Oh, I'm just texting Houston right now, letting them know that we gonna win this thing. We gonna win this bracket. Like all these people out here, they don't know anything about March Madness. You have NC, what is that? NC, North Carolina. Yeah, North Carolina winning it. They haven't been good since Jordan. You got UConn, only because he's from Connecticut. He's up north. A lot of H-Town. I picked H-Town to win the whole thing. This is going to be our year. I see out here, UConn, I think somebody copied brackets. They came in at the tail end. Alabama, come on now. You must have not seen a single. That would have been a good bracket last year. But for the most part, who's this one? Marquette. Seriously? I'm not gonna put them on blast, but this is our year. Houston, we're winning this thing.
Who helped you fill out your bracket?
ESPN top 25 picks. They did a lot of the work, but I've been watching ball all year. I really think that a lot of my college knowledge comes from all the teams we transport. So I've been following them. I follow them. We put decals on the buses every now and then. So I know I got a little bit of experience on filling out these brackets. So this is my year.
Now, if you win, what are you doing with the winnings?
When I win, we're going to have a nice little party because it'll be in April. Barbecue is happening.
Who helped you make your bracket?
Me, myself, and I.
Who do you think is going to win?
I have UConn winning.
If you do win, what are you going to do with the money?
Probably pay bills.
All right. Reasonable, very reasonable.
If I win.
Who do you think is going to win?
You mean the team?
No.
And the coworkers? Oh, I don't know. It's my first year. I hear it gets pretty competitive. If I pick UConn, because I picked UConn, there will be a tie. So I know I'm not the only person who picked UConn.
Are you excited for March Madness?
I am. I'm going to win.
Okay, so who do you think is going to win?
UConn.
Do you have any favorite teams on the bracket?
Any favorite teams? Houston.
Are you from Houston?
No, but I'm a Houston Astros fan.
How did you fill this out?
A friend.
All right, and what are you going to do if you win?
If I win, I'm going to split this with my friend.
Are you ready for March Madness?
I am ready for March Madness. I love March Madness.
All right.
It's like you stay up all night watching games.
Who's going to win?
I have the #1 seed Purdue in my bracketology.
Do you have any favorites on the bracket?
I like Texas, of course, because I'm from Texas, but I'm sticking with Purdue.
Okay.
I like the #1 guy, Zach Evie.
So who helped you fill out the bracket? Or did you do it
I did the bracket by myself.
All right.
I like me some basketball, and I do watch the games.
Okay, so are you ready for the first game?
I am ready for the first game. Starts tonight at 6 o'clock.
Are you ready for March Madness?
Yes,
Who do you
I'm
think's
ready.
gonna win?
I have no idea. I haven't looked at the paper yet, but I hope whomever I pick, they win.
And if you do win, what are you doing with the winnings?
I don't know. Buy lunch. I don't know.
Are you gonna buy lunch for the boss?
Yes, buy lunch for the boss.
Are you ready for March Madness?
I'm ready.
All right, who helped you fill out your bracket?
Nobody, just me, by myself.
Are you gonna watch the games?
Yes.
All right, when's the first game?
March 19 and 20.
And if you win, what are you gonna do with the winnings?
Maybe spending more bets.